In this video, we would like to share with you the latest innovation from Autoglym, a result of breakthrough research and development work aimed at solving one of the most challenging issues in car care: paintwork damage caused by bird droppings. Bird droppings often cause paintwork damage if they are not removed quickly. These marks have been a frustration to car owners the world over for many years. Autoglym Reflow is a revolutionary, easy-to-use alternative offering quick results with no tools or specialist equipment required. There is no risk of holograms or other defects, and it's completely safe on plastic bodywork panels where a heat gun should never be used. It is extremely cost-effective from a labour-saving perspective too. After first washing and drying the vehicle to remove all trace of the dropping, examine the bird dropping mark. If the dropping mark is smooth and the vehicle age is 3 years old or less, there is a high chance that Reflow can remove the defect. If the damage has gone through the lacquer, Reflow cannot help, and additional paintwork repair is required. After assessing the damage and concluding that Reflow is appropriate, tear off the top of the pack where instructed. Add 40 milliliters of water to the fill line and fold over the top of the pack twice. Remove the peelable sticker from the vent hole and reuse it to secure the fold at the top of the pack. Holding the pack flat, massage the heating pad firmly with your thumbs for 10 seconds to ensure the heating pad is completely saturated. Holding the pack at the top, quickly place it over the affected area with the vent hole away from the paintwork and the heating pad over the defect. Use the supplied adhesive tabs to secure the top and the bottom of the pack to the paintwork. These adhesive tabs allow Reflow packs to be affixed to vertical surfaces too, so damage on doors can also be repaired. It is also suitable for painted plastic surfaces, where other methods may prove problematic. Leave the pack untouched on the paintwork for 30 minutes. Once cooled, carefully remove and dispose of the pack in the general waste. It is important to note that Reflow may not fix every defect. The age of the vehicle, air temperature, and age of bird dropping mark must all be taken into account. The sooner you can get to a mark, the better. Vehicles up to 3 years old respond best to Reflow, and warmer ambient temperatures help too. So during the colder winters, we recommend that you use Reflow during the warmest part of the day. Reflow should always be your first option of bird dropping defect removal before considering more time-consuming, costly alternatives. The thermal transfer pack takes moments to set up on a vehicle and can be used by those with even the most basic practical skills. If the paintwork does not respond to Reflow, you can enlist the services of a professional machine polisher or body shop. Each Reflow pouch contains 5 thermal transfer packs and is available exclusively from Autoglym. Autoglym Reflow, a simple to use solution to a difficult problem.